Hey y'all, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Renee Denise. Welcome. I welcome you with bare open arms, literally. Today's video is going to be something quick, simple, and easy. At least I'm gonna try to make it that way. It's going to be an updated eyebrow tutorial, hence to why only one eyebrow is done. I told you I'm gonna try to make this quick. Now, I don't even know how to describe it because I don't want to sound like I'm never going back to pomade or the lock-in gel that I was using to do my eyebrows, because God forbid if I run out, that's what I'm gonna use if I don't go and get another one. So in my first video on YouTube, it was just like a soft glam look, but I was pretty detailed about how I do my eyebrows. So in this video, that's why I'm calling it updated. I'm gonna show you how I do my eyebrows now. So if you're interested and getting your eyebrows on fleek with me, I like that, stay tuned. Alright, y'all, let me get up and close and personal with y'all real quick, because we're gonna make this video quick, okay? So what I'm using for my brows now is boom. This is the Precisely My Brow Pencil by Benefit. It's inexpensive. It's like, I don't know. It's $25. I believe I paid $25 for this at Ulta. And I have it in the color 4.5. It goes from colors 1 to 5. I have 4.5. 5 is the darkest, which I think I should have got, but 4.5 is okay for me. So, well, it works. Yeah, y'all know. Y'all know. So this is literally what I use to fill in my brow. And then of course we shape it with some concealer, blend the concealer out, and we're ready to go. Or at least finish our face, you know? Even without the concealer, the brow look perfectly fine. Like, you don't even have to touch it, and that's why I love it so much. And I was just like, you know what, let me put y'all on, because y'all probably still using pomade and lock gel. And I mean, to each his own, boo boo, do you feel me? But this by far has been a big help for me that I find. So let's get started, shall we? This pencil has two ends, and not if, because everybody know what a pencil look like. We all know what a pencil look like. A pencil comes with a point and an eraser. So this is what this looks like. So this will be your eraser. This will be your point. Your point will be to fill in your brow. Your eraser will be to blend it out, brush it out, whatever you do. And that's it. Simple and easy. So we're gonna brush this out. Simple and easy. It's brushed out. Now, I'm gonna put my little top back on my eraser, open my pencil, and it's a twist. So you can literally twist, it gives you some more, and you can twist it back down, take it back in. So I'm gonna leave it here for now. And I'm gonna fill in my brow. And the thing about this pencil is, whatever color you choose to get, you can make your brow as dark or as light as you like. So if you just want a quick fill in, boom, look at that. I mean, to me, I'm not done, but this looks good. Like, if you just going for a quick fill in, you just want to fill in your brows and go, it's just as simple as that. So I'm gonna fill in my brows some more. And you see how it's getting darker? If you just keep going over it, it'll just get darker. So you could do it to your liking. Fill in the front. It's so crazy how these colors match up. Like, it's literally your brow color if you get the right color. So I'm gonna bring my line out just a little bit. And this is what we're looking like so far. If I just wanted to run out the house, but I wanted some brows to, you know, to look filled in, this looks fine to me. Like, I mean, my ends are a little harsh because I plan to put concealer on, but right now, this looks perfectly fine. I mean, I wouldn't go out the house with this line right here, but I would just literally blend that line in, brush my brow out, and there you go. If you want to look as natural as possible, boom. It's kind of high end on this side. This side is a little bougie or whatever, but you get my point. For now, I'm using the Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer. The top of my lash, I'm using a little bit of the Pro Concealer. The Pro Concealer is in the color, let me tell y'all before y'all beat me down my back. The Pro Concealer is in the color Beautiful Bronze, and my concealer in the Born This Way is in Butterscotch. Next, I'm gonna take my little concealer brush. Ain't none change but a chicken wing. But just dip it in my concealer that I have put on my hand, and we're gonna do the underbrow first. This is what we looking like so far. I'm gonna take my blending brush and just blend this onto my lid. I'm just keeping this concealer on my lid. I'm not gonna spread it all over my face. Now, if you was going for, I mean, my personal opinion, you know, if you was going for a more neutral, natural look, then I would have personally did both my top brow and underbrow with the Pro Concealer, the Beautiful Bronze color. I would have just did it in the color of my skin tone to look, you know, as natural as possible. I'm going for a little some, you know, more bougie, high end, so that's why, you know, I'm trying to be on fleek. You feel me? Now we're gonna do the top brow. Not the top brow. Y'all know what I meant. We're gonna do the top of my brow, okay? Dang. I'm gonna just do exactly what I did to the bottom. I'm gonna just outline the top and blend that out. So I usually start in the middle of my forehead to just wipe off any like extra on my brush, and then I'll come in with my line. And then I'm gonna take it and just bring it out. So it's not too hard to blend out. There you have it, guys. You got your brow going. Yeah, not my brush. You got your brow going. I feel like I should move back a little bit. So simple. It's so easy. Like it's super easy for me now. And then I'm gonna go back in with the end of the brow. I don't know what I did with the top for the pencil part, but I'm gonna just brush these out. All right, guys, and there you have it. I turned the light down a little bit just so you guys could get a more realistic look at what it looks like, but simple, easy, quick. Like if you just want to fill in your brows and just go, you can do that. Or if you want to do your regular routine and get glammed up, you could do that too. It is time, it saves a lot of time. I feel like with the gel I would have still been here trying to fill in this brow, and well, we don't want that because we just don't got time for that, and it doesn't get more simpler than that. So if you guys enjoyed this video, of course, give this video a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe. Click that subscribe button down below. Drop some comments. Let me know what you guys think. Is you sticking with your pomade and your lock-in gel? Or you gonna come over to Benefit, you gonna grab you a pencil, sis, and fill in them brows and go? Like, I mean, you could do that with the lock gel too, but it's gonna take you forever. And we ain't got forever. Let's just get into this beat though. Girl. Y'all know I just put y'all on, right? Just low-key. We're gonna act like I ain't gonna go buy y'all a pencil, but I mean, that's what I'm here for. That's what I want y'all to go do. I'm trying to help you out, sis. You feel me? So, thank you guys once again. Until next week, I'll see you then.